Hello everyone, welcome to Edge Computing in Action. I'm Ashley. As industries around the world strive for digital transformation and sustainability, ESG and net zero are hot topic right now. But with stricter regulation and rising costs, how can enterprises turn these challenges into opportunities? Today we have Veronica from Advantech to share her insights with us. Let's dive in. Hello Veronica, great to have you here.
Great to see you here too. And everyone, hello.
Opening, I said many companies right now are facing increasing pressures to meet global sustainability standards. So from your perspective, what are the biggest challenges Taiwanese enterprises facing right now?
Okay, Taiwan enterprise now is really a critical time for them. Yeah. They are facing now multiple challenges, including the greenhouse emission causing the global warming. So this lead to from all different countries, investors or international corporate buyers or even the financial institution, they now request all the enterprise, they must comply with net zero or ESG, or we call the carbon neutrality. And besides all that, Taiwan now is facing the labor shortage and also increasing energy cost and also the material cost increment. So all these challenges all lead to the big challenge to all our enterprises.
Yes, just as you mentioned, it's really a difficult time for Taiwanese enterprises. Rising costs, wow, it's really critical. And you also mentioned about the net zero regulations. So can you share with us what are some key international policies impacting business right now?
I take some example. Okay, the first one is ESG. In the past, okay, when you want investors to invest in your company, you just deliver them your financial report. But now they want to see what is your performance in ESG. And the other one, like a C-band, we are export country. So if your product carbon footprint over European countries' product carbon emission standard, they will charge you additional cost. So that means your cost will increase. So that will reduce your competitiveness. So this is just two examples. The policy is widely impact our enterprises.
How does Advantech help your customers to turn these challenges into opportunities?
Okay, so Advantech actually we are able to provide digitalization and also low carbon transformation, so total solutions to help the customers. For the journey to net zero or to ESG, we can stage by stage and provide them each stage the solution, then support the enterprise systematically and to go to the end the journey and fulfill their target. So total solutions actually covering from carbon and to energy and also to the critical equipment or even the process equipment. So we provide all different types of solutions. So for the journey, the enterprise, they can use our carbon management to know their organization footprint and also product footprint. And before taking action for carbon deduction, they can have our energy solution. So they will have a clear picture of their energy use, where are the waste and also the carbon hotspot. So after that, then they have a good target to spend their expenditure in capital. So then they go to the next stage of carbon deductions. So for this stage, we provide two solutions. The first one is HVAC compressors. These are critical energy consumption system in the factory or even in a commercial building. So throughout this solution, they can reduce their energy cost. And for the equipment or even the production machine, we have the solution to support all the facility managers or operation people to increase their management efficiency and also reduce the shutdown, reduce the manpower and also maintenance cost. So that's our one-stop total solution. So we can be the enterprise long-term partners, help them stage by stage, go to the net zero, go to the ESG.
Well, it's convenient for your customers because they can one-stop shopping and don't have to, figure out everything. You can help them. But we also know that there are many other energy management approaches out there right now in the market. So what makes Advantech solution different from your competitors?
Okay. So the first differentiation is, okay, as I said, we have one-stop total solutions. Then the second one is, okay, Advantech is a 41 years public listed companies. So we have the solid financing background and also operation. So that means our trusted expertise. This is the second one. Then the third one, we have the global worldwide operation offices. So we can not only help our local Taiwan enterprise, but also the Taiwan enterprise with a global operation. We can provide global services, including the project management, including the product services, all this to support them, okay? And then the last one is, okay, we have very good capability in not only the solution we have, but also in what the latest one is AI or generic AI. So we have R&D, then to continue to create the updated solutions to bring maximize the value to enterprises.
Wow, so cool. So could you give us some examples of how Advantech help your customers to improve their efficiency or reduce their cost?
Okay, so I took 3 examples, okay. The first one is one manufacturing plant. So in this manufacturing plant, they apply our solutions. The first is to help them to reduce the downtime of equipment. So with our machine unite, we call actually it's production and equipment management solutions. They can monitor their equipment all the time. So once there is any potential issue, they can identify immediately. So help the customer to repair or maintenance and then to reduce the risk of a certain shutdown. Then the second one is utilization. We call the process machine utilization rate increment. In year 2024 Q1, they implement our solution. And at that time, their utilization rate is 78%. But after implementation, Q2 to Q4, their utilization rate increased to 88%. So that means their equipment efficiency and also production capability all increased significantly, okay? Then the third one is, okay, with our OEE, they are able to identify their machine, their production machine is in use or in efficiently use or not. So with this identification, then they can find out where the machine not utilized, then they can reallocate this machine or to find some potential issue, then to immediately to have the action for that machine. Then the last one is data-driven decision. So we provide all different kinds of reports. So this one will help them to identify where the machine is unused, so they can reallocate resources. So this is one types of data decision making. Yeah. So the second example is actually is a shopping mall. So this shopping mall is 30,000 square meters located in Xindian of Taiwan. Okay. So it's a very modernized shopping mall. I will invite you to go there also, okay? Yeah, so this shopping mall, after implement our EcoWatch energy management system, they are able to identify where are the waste and where are the carbon hotspot, and even where are the critical equipment, what kind of equipment make that kind of energy waste. So they can take immediate action and then to reduce the energy cost. And even they can use their energy data to charge all different suppliers in their shopping mall, okay? Then the last one is the Hualien Monanit hospitals. So this hospital, after implement our energy EcoWatch management system, they have 2 main value. The first one is it reduce their labor cost, increase their management efficiency. They no longer need to travel around all different sites and use a lot of travel expenses, because they can monitor all their equipment across all different sites remotely. Then the second one is energy use optimized. So they can have the energy data, then they know, oh, there are some equipment aging and inefficiency, so then they can do the replacement, so reduce the energy waste. because of the efficiency of equipment. So this is the 3 examples I provided. Yes.
Wow, they are really amazing. So looking to the future, what's next? How will Advantech to help your customer and Taiwanese enterprise on their ESG journey? And you mentioned about AI. Will AI play a more and more important role in the future?
Gen AI now are very hot topic. Yes. So Advantech also already have this technology applied, integrate into our different type of solutions. So the first one I talk about HVAC. This is one very important critical energy consumption system, no matter in commercial building or in industrial building. So with our AI, they are able to do the grouping, chillers, optimization, controlling. So through that, then we can reduce the chillers operation cost. And another one, furthermore, we have water side system optimization operation. That means we take all different factors like temperature, like the cooling demand, and then the water pumps or chillers or cooling tower. All these different kind of factors. Then we into our AI, through the data and simulation, then we can find out in times the best operation parameters. Then back to the system. Then ensure the whole water side system operated under the lowest energy consumption. So this is the one, HVAC. Then the second one is for I talk about the machine, right? All different types of equipment in everywhere. So, but in all these equipment, there are one heart motor, very important. So our AI, through AI learning, through the data, critical feature data collecting, then we can do the AI training learning, then we can find out the best, we can find out the 7 days, we can predict the 7 days health status of the motors. Then the important value of this is will support the enterprise. They can make decision whether to replace or to repair or to maintenance. So to avoid any sudden shutdown to cause their production loss or uncomfortable of the environments. So the last one is Gen AI. So in our HVAC solution, in our machine unit or energy management, we all have this Gen AI functionality. And from there, actually, we support customer. We build up we call the expert database. Then integrate with the platform technology and data technology, and also the expert knowledge center. Then use the open AI co-pilot technology. Then we can come out with the functionality. That means, okay, you no longer just see the dashboard. You no longer just to download the Excel file. You can straightforward just ask the question, including you want any kind of data, or you want what is the possible issue, or what is the possible resolution, or even you find out the root cause. You want to do the repair or maintenance, you even can ask him to provide you the SOP. So all this will shorten the time to solve the issue, and also to come up with the valuable information and data, and to make the decisions. So that's what we have now in our solutions. Yeah.
Well, and as COMPUTEX 2025 is coming, will you show some demos at your booth at COMPUTEX 2025?
Yeah, sure. So the solution today I mentioned, you will see in our COMPUTEX show, okay? And even more important, you will see our live demo. And also you can come here then to talk to our expert co-pilot. So welcome you to our COMPUTEX show. Yeah.
Thank you, Veronica, for sharing your wonderful insights. It's clear that AI-powered energy management is not just reducing costs, but it's about building a more efficient and sustainable future for enterprises. If you want to learn more, please stay tuned to our channel. We will tell you more. Thank you for watching today. See you next time. Bye.